Can you hear that? Just a little water going over some rocks and some sticks. You know those noise machines that people have that help them go to sleep? I have an app on my phone called White Noise. And when I get a massage, I like to turn on the stream. And I also add some crickets too, because it takes me back to a time in my childhood that where I used to play along the creek and play in the water and listen to the crickets, and just brings me to a really happy place, a really joyful place. So what kind of sound is your happy sound?